Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates with today's quick tip. The way to make your flowers last even longer is to make sure you're starting with clean buckets. DCD is a product that's a disinfectant, cleaner, and deodorizer. It's going to increase the life of your flowers. It's a little bit of an investment. This jug is a concentrate, and so you're going to mix it with water to be able to use it, and we'll talk about that in a bit. But the benefits of DCD is that it has a residual effect. So when you spray it on your table, your tools, it's going to continue to fight that bacteria and fungus, things like botrytis, and all the things on your flowers and your tables. Let's take a look at mixing that up. It says 1 to 2 ounces per gallon, but I know florists aren't math wizards, so I used to Google to figure it out. And really what it comes down to is 4 teaspoons of DCD per gallon. So if you have a water pitcher that's a half gallon, you use 2 teaspoons. And in a normal spray bottle, you're gonna use 1 teaspoon of the concentrate to mix it up. So I use both on to clean buckets. You wanna, if I would mix up a pitcher of the DCD mixture, you can pour it into a bucket and then use a brush and come around and just clean out your bucket. And you do want to make sure and also brush the outside of the bucket too. You're going to start off with dumping out your discarded stems, and then once you put the DCD in, you don't need to rinse. So it's going to keep a good residual on. Clean the outside. When you clean them, you put them face down, and once you return the buckets after they're done in the cooler, you put them face up. So that's a great system to be able to make sure you're always working out of clean buckets. At the end of each day, I'm gonna spray down my design table and use a squeegee, and that'll get all the bacteria and any kind of fungus off my table, and I'm gonna spray my tools at the end of the day. So there's some tips on how to use DCD to increase the life of your flowers and lead to more customer satisfaction. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates.